Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Suzuki GW250. Twin cylinder fuel injection, liquid cooled, lightweight sport bike. Only 2,400 miles on this gorgeous GW250. It's got the little mini fairing, some side cases. Great little bike for commuting. Gonna get about 65, 70 miles per gallon on this gorgeous satin black GW250. Low mileage, only 2,400. Come on by. Check it out, only $37.99. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.